What's up, guys? This is how I went break even for the day. Well, I guess like $3 down $3, but basically break even for the day. Um, the recap from yesterday, I'm gonna post later on today too. I think I made 800 yesterday, so pretty good day. Um, yeah, let's go with the recap. So overall, we're kind of like in all-time highs range, like just kind of like in this middle range, and like I took shorts my first trade, right? As you can see. Sorry, I'm trying to get everything situated. Yes, took shorts as you can see. I wanted us to come down and like take lows to then go higher. We made an SMT with ES. Um, bro, okay, let's go over like the trade I wanted to take. This short right here was fucking textbook, bro, and I wanted to take it so bad, but like it was all the way down here and I couldn't get it good. Yes, it came up to retest, but I was kind of like hesitant about it. But look how good this trade is. Displaced below this 30 seconds to go low. Like, it would have been beautiful. Anyways, I took shorts. I'll tell you why. Um, we had this 30-minute gap, right? This 15-minute gap. In my mind, I wanted us to come back and retest this gap, which we did. Test it and like a little inverse to these lows. I wanted us to grab these London lows right here too. I think TP was actually right here, but um, my first short was came into this gap again to retest. Little inverse of this gap, delivering off this big gap again to then come take these lows. Break even was like right here, I think. It was on the 2 minute or something. I think it was this 1 minute gap break even. Came up and just exploded up. So did ES. This was not my best trade, but I liked it in the moment. And as you can see, it's not a bad trade, you know, because we are kind of bearish. We are kind of bearish a little bit. This doesn't look bearish, but like 15, 30 minute, inversing all these gaps. I wanted us to take lows. ES took it, so SMT. It looked good for long. So as you can see, SMT to go higher. This long I almost took too. I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I would have took it right here off this sweep of the gap. BS took it. SMT like perfect. I should have took it. But I was hesitant. Really hesitant. I don't know why, but if I'm hesitant, I'm not gonna take it. This one I kind of took it with full conviction. Just a loss in the book, nothing you could do about it. Um, I went in with 8 micros, so a big loss. It was $500 or something like that. Not really looking at the money though, but I'm just letting y'all know. Down 500 for the day. Just staying patient. This was a pretty quick loss too. After I took it, I wicked up and stopped me out. But one loss, and coming in, just being patient, patient, patient. This trade I liked a lot, even though it was like a weird big stop loss trade, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like I wanted my stop loss to be right here, but then that would be negative RR. So I had to have it like a 1-to-1, like right here. So it was kind of risky a little bit, but I loved it. Inverse is 5 minute gap. It's like kind of obvious that we want to come hit this liquidity. This place below this right here. The fuck? But you know what I mean. This place above this, like it just looked textbook. It could look good. Got in around here, a high entry. I originally took it like right here somewhere, but since I'm on hotspot, don't have Wi-Fi in my new place yet, like it took like 10 seconds to film me, bro. Um, yeah, I went break even after we inversed this 5 minute right here, which was it looked like it on the 5 minute, but I thought we inversed right here, so I went break even after this candle closed. Just secure my risk. I was already down a lot, and then TP hit. I kind of went right below the high. Don't know why, but TP was like right there, and then boom, it hit buy side. Pretty obvious. After we inverse this place, it's pretty obvious we want to come take this. Um, it was really nice. That's pretty much my trades today. Like I said, shorts wasn't the best trade. I know y'all could agree with me too. Wasn't the best trade, but it still like wasn't bad. You know what? No, no, no. I took this off the 2 minute inverse. Now thinking back on it, because I like to go for the highest time frame inverse. Yeah, we had this 3 minute, but too big. Sorry, y'all. I'm not lying to y'all either. Took it off the 2 minute inverse, and maybe, like I said, not the best trade. If we would have took out this like little eternal lower high, whatever you want to call it, probably would have been better because we didn't take out anything. So this inverse probably like faked me out, which it did. But I like that we're delivering off this gap. But just a loss in the book, like I said, we're not gonna win them all. One loss, one win. basically break even for the day. Up on the week. And yeah, just now just gonna enjoy the rest of my day. Journal this trade. Just wanted to tell you how it went. This is the price action. Pretty bullish looking at it now. And now we're just floating at all-time highs, so not gonna be the best opportunities, but yeah. Pretty easy today. That's my recap on the day. I'm gonna post the other one too from yesterday. I'll show you all those trades. They're pretty bangers. Yeah.